Okay, I'm going to take you through a quick tour of how to use the Cells Alive interactive website. So this is a website that has 3 different interactive models of 3 different kinds of cells. So your first link will take you to this page right here. You're going to choose Start the Animation. And up here at the top, you can go back to where we started. That was the page we were on before, Cell Overview. Right now, you can see we're on the Eukaryote section. And you can also choose to go to the Bacteria section from here instead of clicking on the link in the slideshow. Okay, so we're on the Eukaryote section, and our 2 eukaryotic cells are animal cells and plant cells. So you're going to have to click on one of these 2 to bring up a picture of the cell. It makes a really annoying noise when you click on it. So you may want to turn your volume off or down, or turn your headphones on. So this is an animal cell. You can tell by seeing that this part is clicked. When I hover over different parts of the animal cell, it highlights the different organelles. Organelles means small organs. They're not organs, they're just parts of the cell that have different functions. And you'll learn a lot about all these different organelles in 7th grade. We're only concerned with a few in the 6th grade. Okay, so you've got a couple of options. You can either click on the organelle itself and double click on it, and it will bring you some information. So this says the nucleus. Down here is where you would return back to the picture of the cell. It says return to the cell diagram. Your other option is to hover over the names of the organelles down here. And when you click on the nucleus here, you get that same informational piece. So sometimes you'll be asked questions that are based on you clicking on that organelle and reading the section, the information that is here. Remember, down here you have this option to return to your cell diagram. So you have the option of exploring the cell and clicking on it based on the picture, or hovering over the name and seeing where that organelle is. Okay, getting information that way. After you finish with the animal cell, you want to make sure that you hit the plant cell. That's the other eukaryotic cell. And it's the same thing. Okay, so again, you're just clicking on a few of these organelles based on the worksheet that you need to look at and reading the information about them to answer the questions. When you're finished with your plant cell, then you can either go back to the slideshow and click the link, but the easiest way is to click the bacteria model, because that's just going to bring you straight to the bacteria interactive. And so this is the bacterial cell. Again, same layout, you just hover over different things. I will tell you that the worksheet is asking for you to label the cell wall and the cell membrane, and it doesn't show you that in this first level. But if you click on the cell envelope, okay, so here you can see the cell envelope is highlighted either when I have it here, hover on it on the image, or down here. But if I click on cell envelope, you can see it tells you a little bit about the cell membrane and the cell walls there. So you can use that to help you to label that part. Again, I'm going to return to the cell diagram. So this is a pretty simple interactive. We're just looking at some of the basic characteristics of 2 eukaryotic cells, which are our plant and animal cells, and the prokaryotic cell, which is our bacteria cell. You can go back to the cell model to see the plant and animal cell option, or to the bacteria model to see that bacteria. So hopefully that makes interacting with this website a little bit easier for you.